I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a website builder, easy method. Start by deciding core features, target users, and the minimal viable product scope. Choose a tech stack like React for front-end and Node for back-end, then set up a repository and development workflow. Sketch simple UI, plan routing and component structure, and define APIs for content and authentication to move quickly into a prototype. Plan a clean component library and design system to keep the builder consistent and fast to iterate. Build a drag and drop editor with predictable state management and a way to serialize layouts into JSON. Create a simple template system so users can pick, customize, and save templates. Incrementally add features like image handling, form builders, and basic SEO fields to keep the scope manageable and testable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about funding projects and saving for development tools. It pairs nicely with building a website business or side hustle as a light investment in your mindset. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set up backend APIs to handle content, user accounts, and authentication with secure tokens and permissions. Choose a database that supports versioning or snapshots so users can revert changes and manage revisions. Automate build pipelines and deploy generated sites to a static hosting provider or managed platform with custom domain support. Add basic analytics, backups, and monitoring to maintain reliability while allowing easy ongoing improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.